Dear professional, welcome to my presentation. Myself GM Farooq Ahmed. In this video, I am talking about data diddling question and answer. Data diddling is a very important topic for different types of exam like CISA, CISOM, CISSP and different types of IT related exam. So let's go in question. Our first question is, what is data diddling? A. Making unauthorized modification to data, manipulating password files to allow system access, making data increasable by manipulating integrity hashes, and reading the content of files. So definitely the correct answer is A, because it's the basic concept of data diddling. And data diddling, also called false data entry, is an illegal or unauthorized data alteration. In question number 2, which computer crime is more often associated with insider? A, B and D, these are actually the outsider and C is the insider. So the correct answer is C, data diddling. Here, data diddling is often considered an attack performed more often by insider rather than outsider. Just external intruder. In question number 3, which of the following form of attack occur in slow, gradually increments rather than through obvious or recognizable attempt to compromise system security or integrity? So correct answer is B. Here the main concept is, some forms of attack occurs in slow, gradually increment rather than through obvious or recognizable attempt, and example are data diddling or salami attack. In question number 4, which of the following is an example of active attack? Dear professional, option A, B and C, these are actually the passive attack, and C, D is the correct answer. Here D is the active attack. And we know an active attack is an attempt to change data or alter the functionality of a system, whereas a passive attack is an attempt to obtain or make use of information. So definitely the correct answer is D. Question number 5, a hacker that changes or forgets information in an electronic resource. Option A, B and C, these are false, and option D is the correct answer, because in the definition we say that a data diddling, also called false data entry, and it's perform information change before it is entered into a computer system or electronic resources. Our last question is question number 6, which of the following usually not offer adequate guarantees that no data diddling is underway? So here protection is the main concern. Option A, B and C, these three types provide the protection, and D not provide the protection, that's mean tapping. So correct answer is D, and the explanation is like this. Tapping is a passive attack where these three, one A, B, C provide the active attack protection. Dear professional, in my last slide I am talking about the key point of data diddling, and I find out most important 5 points from the data diddling perspectives. Number 1, data diddling, also called false data entry, is an illegal or unauthorized data alteration. Number 2, data diddling occurs when an attacker gains access to the system and makes change and destroy or modify the information or deleting enter files. Number 3, for protection purpose, encrypted file system, file level encryption technique and some other forms of monitoring provide the protection for data diddling. And number 4, data diddling is often considered an attack performed more often by insider rather than outsider, that's mean external intruder. And the last point is about, it should be obvious that since data diddling is an attack that alters data, it is considered an active attack. Thank you so much.